Hi students, how are you? Today you are going to learn one more topic about how, when and where. Today again I am starting revision in history chapter. Where I am going to start here is history first chapter. Today I am starting. Listen carefully, watch properly and get good ideas we will discuss in coming section. Okay, students, now in this topic, we may see first heading how important are dates. How important are dates? Especially listen carefully. Okay, it is about the changes that occur over a period of the time. History is synonymous with the date. Isn't it or not? Yes. There was a time when the historians were there. At the time they started the practice and getting about information about the fast. Okay, they have focused. You may know some important dates about that also. I will explain very well. There were headed debated about the dates and the which rulers were the covered. In the common section, a nation history was synonymous with date. History which is giving about past. We need date through that we may find what the which situation is happened duration the on specific time. Is such a conception are there? Yes, history is a certain about the change that occur over the time. It is about the finding out how during have changed. You may know as soon as we compare the past with the present, we refer to time we talk of before and after. Okay, isn't it or not? Yes, is it? We may talk about after or before what did happen. Okay, these things we may recall. Then listen carefully. We take time, some things for getting over the evidence. Listen carefully, student. When we are getting about that one, we ask questions that actually are historical. Is it historical or not? Is watching something spit a cup of a tea at a rolling shape. Okay, how we are getting? Okay, from where we are getting? Maybe can you have doubt or not? Yes. Looking out of the window of your train, you may find some of the historical things. Then you may get some ideas through that when it was built, who did build, like that. Reading the newspaper in the morning, you may occurred or you may get some ideas. How these all things, where these all things, what this situation information, it was there like that, or now present is there like that, after will be there like that. But that time does not have to be always on particular. Okay, sometimes it is actually incorrected to fix the specific dates. Listen carefully. uh, APJ Abdul Kalam said about if you are searching or finding out for the specific information, you will exactly find people in India did not being the drinking tea one fine day. They developed a taste for it over time. Previous time we were not drinking tea, but nowadays we are drinking. Why? Because it is very tasteful. Similarly, we can not fix one single date. Okay, the nation movement started or changes took place with the economy and society. You observed through the Britishers, you may observe some situations happened in India. So that's why our Indians has done some movements against the Britishers. All these things happens over the past. We can only refer to a span of time and an approximately period over which the particular changes become a visible. Okay, we can get about history information through the different several books. If you go to library, you may find many historical books. Through that, you will get. Why then do you continue to ask some of the things? How may you get? There it was about the ruler and their specifics. Historians were about the year a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, when he married, when did he get children, when he has ruled, when he got thrown. That everything you may find through the evidence, through the dates, you may understand easily. Okay, students, you have seen here main about how important are dates. How important are dates? Okay, listen carefully. About that, I will explain more important dates. Listen carefully. Right, which dates are important? Okay, listen carefully. Importance of dates here. Date become the important when we focus on particular event. Dates become the important when we focus on particular event. When we write history or a story, we divided it into chapters. Listen carefully. Here some of the dates you are watching. Okay, what did the situation happen? When did we get independence? Okay, history is a record of the incidents about the past. You may observe on specific day what did happen, what did we get. Okay, in 1947 August 15th, what did we get? Yes, we got Independence Day. Okay, did we get independence? Yes. When did we get? 1947 August 15th we got independence. Like that is some of the important dates you may learn here. Why do we still associate history with dates? Listen carefully about that. It is to tell a story in a way that makes some sense and can be followed. Okay. For example, previously Shahjahan, Ashok, Akbar and etc. many famous kings were there, rulers were there in specific time. What did they develop? What did they do? You may observe. In 1605, crown of the Jahangir. 1573, Akbar defeated King Muzaffar Shah III, and 1569, birth of Akbar's son Jahangir. 1562, Akbar's married. 1556. Like that, if we see specific date in 30th April, Jallianwala Bagh situation is happened. You may observe. And 12th March, Dandi March. This is one of the movements started by the Gandhi. You may know. This like that one specific date is there at the time that one event happened, so that one we are knowing, that is we are learning about past, or we can say history. According to that, you may observe in this specific time some Britishers, what did they do, what did they implemented, we will see here. Listen carefully. In the process, we focus only on those events that help us to give shape to the story we are telling. In the process, we focus only on those events that help us to give shapes to the story we are telling. Through the map, we may observe previously how was our India. Who did draw this one? Who did rule this one? These all things are past. So we may observe India under the British Raj. This all territories which was there under the control of the British. Warren Hastings, the first Governor General of India. 1773. Lord Mountbatten, last Viceroy of India. 1947. Like this about them you may know. Okay, focus of the Indian history. Through that you may get how, when and where the situation which is happened. So dates become important when we focus on particular event. When we write history on a story, we divided it into chapter wise. You observe here about history from the Britishers' point of view and history from the Indian point of view. Through that you may know simple information. Okay, multi records also, which is giving about the fast information. Why? Because Britishers they have written for their favor. Our Indians has written for our Indian favor. But multi records, if you focus that one, you may get exactly information what it happened. See, British Raj from 1773 to 1947 you may observe. At the time, see main two movements you observe. Okay, Indian Mutiny and Jallianwala Bagh. okay, 1857, okay, rebel started. In 1919 also, okay, Jallianwala Bagh happened. These are the main causes for getting the independence to the India. Listen carefully, student. History is about the life of the people who made a difference to the world. Each historian has a different perspectives to an event to help us shape a story as true to the true as possible. We refer multi records containing different perspectives and perspectives. And you observe three important periods, especially ancient, medieval, and modern. Okay, listen carefully about different information. How do we periodize? Okay, James Will divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, and British. But according to our India, okay, ancient period, medieval period, and modern period, we may observe. What is colonialism? Listen carefully here. Colonial means we are ruling by another country. That is why we may call colonialism. If any country is ruling another country, that other country is under the control of this country. So that's why that country is a colonial. You may observe. Okay, you will see here how they established control over the economy and society, collected reserves. You may observe. And you will understand the changes that came about as a consequence. You will also come to know about the changes British rule brought about in value, and when the subjection of one country by another lead to this kind. This we may call colonialization. If one country is ruled by another country, that one we may call colonization. Isn't it or not? Very good. What is colonization? The British came to the conquer the country and established their rule. Okay, getting local Nawabs and Rajas. So our all Indians are under the control of the Britishers. You may observe. Okay. Next, you may observe how do we know? How do we know? See, you observe here especially administration. Okay, produce record and survey become important, and what official records do not tell. Yes, these are important. You may observe. Okay, administration produce records. They have one specific plan. Okay, every instruction. Okay, and plan. Okay, policy, decision. Okay, submit, investigation had to be clear written up. Listen, the British believed that the act of the writing was important. Even instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement, investigation had to be clear which could be situated and debated. You observed. Record rooms were attached to all administrative institutions. By the mid-19th century, with the spread of printing, multi copies of these records were printed. Multi records were printed once again. So we may observe previously what did happen, how was there, these all things. And you observe. Okay, survey become the important. The British believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effected administration. Those began to practice of survey. Specialized institutions like archive and museums were also established. Okay, and giving us some information. Various other surveys like botanical, zoological, archaeological, okay, anthropological, forest, etc., where you may also get some information. Okay, you have also studied the note and report that district officials prepared some evidence about that. In 19th century, especially you observe in the easy year of the 19th century, this documents were carefully copied out and this all things and getting for future generation. They are saving and keeping and uploading even internet etc. in this 19th century onwards. You may observe. Listen carefully, student. What official records do not tell? Okay, and survey become important. Okay, how survey become the important? The practice of the survey also become common. The colonial administration, the British also believed that a country had to be probably known before it could be effectively administered. By the early 19th century, detailed survey were beyond care how to map entire country in the village, town, and metropolitan cities. You may observe. Not only that, student, listen carefully. Okay, census. Okay, operations were conducted every 10 years. What is the census means? Is calculation of the or counting of the people. How many members are there in a specific family? They are there in rural area or in urban area. Like that, you may observe, student, and you observe in this one end of the 19th century. What official records do not tell us? What did happen? You may see here. Okay, official survey tell us what the official thought, what they were interested in, and what they wish to preserve for the posterity. Okay, students, we will see here, especially in this chapter. Already I explained. Okay, I have revised this all things. Okay, anyway, again I will recall you about this all things. How important are dates? History is synonymous with dates. It is about the changes that occur over a period of time. It is about finding out how things were in the past and how they have changed. It is, however, incorrect to date the process that happened over a period of the time. We cannot fix one single date on which British rule was established. The national movement started and changes took place within the economy and society. We can only refer to a space of time and experiment approximately that specific period. Next, you may observe which dates. Okay, dates become important when we focus on particular event. Okay, what in particular time, what did it happen? Okay, already I have explained with small slides now. Yes, when we were see these documents and records, then we will get which dates are important. Like that, when we were history a story, we divided it into chapter. Next, you see here. How do we periodize? Okay, James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods. What is that? Hindu, Muslim, and British. But according to our Indians, you may observe ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. We divided history into different periods. Chapters that characters of your time. It's centrally features as they appear to us. Isn't it or not? Yes, you have to keep this in your mind. Next, you observe what is colonialism. What is colonialism? Or what is colonialia? You observe. Colonialism means one country is ruling by another country. Means previous time our India was one of the colonial country. Was because we were ruled by the Britishers. For example, we can take our country. Next important heading you learn, and I have revised here. How do we know? Okay, here I revised especially 3 topics. One is administration, produced records, and survey become important. and what official records do not tell us. Okay students, you must have to read this chapter, all question answers learn, and read textbook also. Be ready for exam. Bye.